Hi, I'm Anthony and I'm a paramedic, and today I just wanted to introduce you to the automatic external defibrillator. There's many different types. You should become familiar with the type that's in your location. This particular type has an on button, it has a display, and it also has a shock button. The machine is used to analyze a shock of a rhythm on the patient when the pads are put on the patient. Always check the pads in your machine, and as you can see from the pads, there's pictures on them to help you place the pads in the correct positions. 70, 80, 90, 20.
Here's the AED, that one's on the way.
As soon as your AED comes, turn on your AED. If there's another bystander present, they can continue to carry out compressions. Expose the chest, checking for pendants, patches, pacemakers, perspiration, Playtech, any excessive hair. Look at the pictures and apply pads accordingly. To the middle shoulder or mid-clavicle region, and the mid-axillary region, which is under the armpit. Plug in your AED.
Analyzing heart rhythm.
Stand back from the patient, shuffle back.
The patient.
Ensure no one else is touching the patient. It's analysing the heart rhythm.
Shock advised.
Shocking now, stand clear.
Stay clear of patient. Delivered. Shock delivered.
Shock delivered. Continue chest compressions.
Begin
1,
CPR.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30.